What if one day you walked into a hospital and there were no doctors, no nurses, just machines, no human receptionists, no long lines, no paperwork. Instead, you're scanned by an AI system that reads your temperature, blood pressure, and even your mood, all before you sit down. It instantly tells you what's wrong, how serious it is, and what needs to happen next. This might sound like science fiction, but honestly, we're getting closer to this reality every single day. Right now, AI is already playing a major role in healthcare. Machine learning systems can analyze X-rays, CT scans, and Mr. is faster than human radiologists, and in some cases, with even greater accuracy. AI tools have spotted early signs of cancer and heart disease that doctors missed. That's not a theory. It's happening now, in 2023. Researchers at Google DeepMind developed an AI that could predict kidney failure up to 48 hours before it occurred. That's a huge breakthrough, giving doctors time to act before it's too late. Robotic surgeries are also real. In some hospitals, AI-assisted machines already help surgeons perform incredibly precise operations. Some experts believe that fully autonomous surgical robots aren't far behind. Now imagine pushing that even further, a world where hospitals are run entirely by artificial intelligence. From the moment you arrive, the system tracks your condition in real time. It prescribes medication, updates your records, monitors your vitals, and even performs operations. All without human input. The system doesn't get tired, doesn't make emotional decisions, and never forgets a step. Sounds like perfection, right? But here's where it gets dangerous. What happens when something goes wrong? If the AI makes a mistake, say, misdiagnoses a rare illness or gives the wrong dose, who takes responsibility? Would anyone even notice before it's too late? One real-life example. In the UK, an AI system once misclassified dozens of hospital patients as low risk when some were seriously ill. The system wasn't trying to harm anyone. It was just trained on bad data. But the results could have been deadly. Now imagine that happening in a fully automated hospital. No one to double-check, no one to step in. And here's another concern. If hospitals are run by AI systems connected to the internet, they're vulnerable. A hacker could shut down life support systems, alter prescriptions, or lock medical staff out of critical equipment. In a system without human oversight, even one breach could cost lives. And then there's the emotional side. Would you feel safe if your child was being treated by a robot? Can a machine offer comfort, reassurance? Would we trust it the same way we trust a human doctor? AI in healthcare has incredible potential. It could save lives, reduce errors, and speed up treatment. But giving it full control comes with risks that are hard to ignore. So here's the real question. If we let AI take over our hospitals, are we stepping into a future of perfect healthcare? Or are we putting our lives in the hands of something we don't fully understand? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're into exploring the future of AI and humanity, drop a like and subscribe. More videos coming soon.